Hi! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fold a letter so you end up with a little square like this. Let's do the following. Take the letter and place it horizontally. Fold it in half. Make a sharp crease. Notice that the crease is now at the top. The bottom part should be able to open. Fold it in half again. It should be able to open from the bottom, and the crease should be at the top. Take the top right corner and bring it down. Once it's lined up, make the crease. Do the same on the left side, but this time from bottom to top. Only crease it once it's lined up. You should have a shape like this. Now we're going to line up this line with the other one, folding it down. Once it's lined up, make the crease. Then do the same on the left side, but fold it upwards, lining it up with the top edge. When you have a shape like this, take the right side of the figure and bring it to the left. Make the crease. Then, turn the figure this way. Turn it over again. And tuck the top tip into this opening. Once it's well in place, turn it and tuck the bottom tip into the opening on the other side. Finish. Now just write a dedication. All done. We're finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends.